Welcome to Bayfield Training's Excel Tips videos. Let's find out how to use the VLOOKUP function to find data in Excel. The Microsoft Excel VLOOKUP function is used to perform a vertical lookup. If your data is organized into vertical columns, you can use the VLOOKUP function to search for a value in the first column of the table and return a corresponding value from another column. Let's look at an example for better understanding. The table here shows the estimated market size in 2021 and 2022. We can use VLOOKUP to know the estimated market value of a particular country in 2021, say United Kingdom. To get started, select a cell. Type equals VLOOKUP, open bracket. Select the value to look up. In this case, it's United Kingdom. Type a comma. Select where to look for the value. For example, the first two columns. Type a comma. Type the number of the column where the lookup value is located. In this example, we have chosen the column number 2. Type a comma. Type false to find an exact match and close brackets. Press enter. Now try it out by replacing United Kingdom with any other country from the table, for example Spain. And voila! The function finds the numbers that correspond to the estimated market size of UK and Spain in 2021 respectively. Happy learning! Follow us on our social media platforms to learn more about our Excel tips. And for more information about our executive education courses, visit our website www.bayfieldtraining.com.